Page number 85, chapter 7, packing, page number 85, paragraph number 9. And then it was George's turn. He trod on the butter. Trod means stepped on means butter नीचे था, उसका पाँव आया. Let me make it more clear. I didn't say anything, but I came over and sat on the edge of the table and watched him. अब author जो था वो आराम से उनको watch कर रहा था, उनको observe कर रहा था, because it is their time to pack the hamper. ये याद रखना है. With what they are packing. It irritated them more than anything I could have said. I felt that it made them nervous and excited. They stepped on things and put things behind them. बार बार उनके पाँव के नीचे चीजें आ रही थी और उठा के उनको साइड पे कर रहे थे. And then couldn't find them when they wanted them. They packed the pies at the bottom, put heavy things on the top, smashed the pies in. जैसे टमाटो की तरह वही हाल pies का हुआ. They upset salt over everything. And as for the butter, I never saw two men do more with 1 and 2 pence worth of butter in my whole life than they did. After George had got it off his slipper, they tried to put it in the kettle. It would not go in, and what was in wouldn't come out. Means sometimes you might be asked about particular instances. Ki butter, what was the scene of butter? Fine. So you are supposed to then describe this particular part. What they do with the butter. They upset. So, bache, you should be very much clear about particular parts of the packing. They upset salt over everything, and as for the butter, I never saw. means first they try to pack the butter in the kettle. जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि एक बड़े solid thing में आप delicate या soft चीजें हम डाल देते हैं packing के time पे. So they try to keep it in the kettle, but it was not going in. It wouldn't go in, and what was in wouldn't come out. They did scrape it out at last and put it down on a chair. They kept the butter on a chair, and Harry sat on it and stuck on him, and they went looking for it all over the room. एक उसके ऊपर butter के ऊपर बैठा है. They are searching in the whole room. I will take oath I put it down on that chair, said George. Means George was confident. हाँ जी बेटा. Means just spread. You can say spread the salt. जैसे packet was opened and it's just spread on everything. Means he was just observing a new kind of the situation. He has never seen. कहते मैंने ऐसे कभी नहीं देखा था. Very good. Very good. I'll take my oath. I put it down on that chair, said George, starting at the empty. Means George was fully confident that he has put the butter on the chair. I saw you do it myself not a minute ago, said Harris. Then they started round the room again looking for it. Means searching for it. And then they met again in the center and stared at one another. Most extraordinary thing I have heard of. So mysterious. Means they were confused where they have kept the butter. Then George got round at the back of Harris and saw it. Why, here it is all the time, he exclaimed indignantly. Where? Cried Harris, spinning round. Stand still, can't you? Roared George, flying after him. And they got it off and packed it in the teapot. Montmorency was in it all, of course. Montmorency's ambition in life is to get in the way and be sworn at. Means another confusing person has ended, that is Montmorency, their pet dog, and he has been always creating some kind, and you know the animals, and when you are doing things, they get excited and they will try to do things with you. Montmorency's ambition in life is to get in the way and be sworn at. If he can squirm in anywhere where he particularly is not wanted. As I told you that they get excited for such situations, जब वो family को इकट्ठे देखेंगे, या आपको कुछ करते हुए देखेंगे तो they will start doing or something mischievous in between. He particularly is not wanted and be a perfect nuisance and make people mad and have things thrown at his head, then he feels his day has not been wasted. Means जब तक वो शरारत नहीं करता है, कुछ mess create नहीं करता है, तब तक उसे लगता है उसने कुछ किया नहीं. To get somebody to stumble over him and curse him steadily for an hour is his highest aim and object. उसका एम्बिशन क्या होता था? शरारत करना और ढेर सारी डांट खाना. And when he has succeeded in accomplishing this, his conceit becomes quite unbearable. Conceit, pride, his happiness. He came and sat down on things just when they were wanted to be packed, and he labored under the fixed belief that whenever Harris or George reached out their hand for anything, it was his cold, damp nose that they wanted. Mean, in the other words, that he was just peeping in everything. जब भी उसको लग रहा है कोई चीज उठाने के लिए जा रहा है तो उसको लग रहा है कि मुझे पहले स्निफ करना चाहिए उसको. He put his leg into the jam and he worried the teaspoons. He pretended that the lemons were rats, means running after the lemons, and got into the hamper and killed 3 of them before Harris could land him with the frying pan. Means Harris is running behind him with the frying pan. Harris said, I encouraged him. I didn't encourage him. Harris said, I encouraged him. I didn't encourage him. Means the author encouraged him. Harris is doubtful that author जो है वो आराम से बैठा हुआ है तो वो जानबूझ के उसको कर रहा है. किसको कर रहा है? किसको पैम्पर कर रहा है? Dog. A dog like that doesn't want any encouragement. It is the natural, original sin that is born in him and makes him do things like that. I hope that those who have pets, they very well understand that how they behave, how they are getting pampered and sometimes naughty. The packing was done at 12:50 and Harry sat on the big hamper and said he hoped nothing would be found broken. George said that if anything was broken, it was broken, which reflection seemed to comfort him. He also said he was ready for bed. We were all ready for bed. Harris was to sleep with us that night and we went upstairs. We tossed for beds and Harris had to sleep with me. He said, do you prefer the inside or the outside, Jay? I said, I generally prefer to sleep inside a bed. Harris said it was odd. George said, what time shall I wake you fellows? Harris said 7. I said no, 6 because I wanted to write some letters. Harris and I had a bit of row over it, but at last split the difference and said 6:30. Means it was decided that because they were confusing on 6 or 7, they were not settled. So they decided 6:30. George made no answer and we found on going over that he had been asleep for some time. So we placed the bath where he could tumble into it on getting out in the morning and went to bed ourselves. Jerome K. Jerome. J is used up in the paragraph. That is the name of the author. Author is Jerome K. Jerome. So this is the whole scene of packing. But I'll tell you the questions and those you will discuss the questions and you will do in notes. Thank you.